Hey guys. Hey everyone. Who's here, guys? Start breaking the charts down soon. And then I'll just share it to the community really quick, guys, and everything's good. Hey Dan, how's it going, bro? Just give it 2 or 3 minutes and I'll start breaking this down, like see what I'm looking for on gold. I don't know how many I'm going to get for the London session, really. But we'll see. Hope we get a few. See what gold's doing for us. Right, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to see what gold does. So, for me, guys, in terms of shorts, if I am going to go short, it's going to be down here to 26.23. And then obviously, if I do go long, you've got some little liquidity targets above market. Obviously, overall on gold, you're always targeting all-time highs, but I think there's a decent level here that's been formed now. But yeah, for me on gold, really, after the H4, how it's closing now, I think shorts do look better. So guys, who's here? We got Dan. Anybody else? We got how many people active? We got 3 people in, not many. Like I say, everyone's used to me streaming US session. So it might be a bit difficult, but we can stay on for a little while, maybe like 30-40 minutes if everyone wants to. I'll stay on for 30 minutes, guys, see what it's like. If it doesn't pick up, I'll just keep the community updated. And then I'll just come on for US session. No problem. Just to come on, update everybody what's going on. If we get a few people in, like I say, I'll stay on, but I'll give it another, what, 25 minutes? Obviously, I don't trade London session at all, so I don't expect a lot of people to come on. I just thought I'd jump on today and do a little bit. So 15 is pulling back. Owlie's just opened. Well, opening in 10 minutes, sorry. well, it's closing in 10 minutes. The new hourly will be opening in 10 minutes. We've got a double bottom now that's actually been formed on gold for more sells, which is good. But the 4 hourly is actually we've just taken 4 hour lows, so you're bound to get a little reversal. I'm going to see what gold does anyway. If it leaves this double bottom, then we've got some decent areas to go down. I need to update the community really quickly as well. But yeah, I'm going to look to try and take this short, guys. Obviously, you're going to get a little pullback anyway on gold. You're bound to get a pullback and then a continuation lower. You have got a lot of liquidity now sitting below market, and you've even got some more lows here that need taking. So you've got a double bottom, you've got the actual low on gold from this push. So if we do get a little pullback, don't think it's going to be going long again, because it's not. It's just a pullback to go short down into this liquidity. Okay. But yeah, what I'm actually gonna wait for now, guys, on gold is I'm gonna see if we can take these highs on the 15. If we can take these highs, you know, we're actually starting to create a range now, which is quite decent. Welcome everyone, welcome. Got 5 people in now. Guys, let's see who's here. Let me know. Throw us a comment. If you got any questions, let me know. We can run through it. But I'm going to see if we can push lower on gold today. Well, in London session. For now, anyway. For now, it looks like we can, you know, pull back a little bit more, continue down. I need to just share that with the community really quickly. Make it a bit cleaner. I'll do it with this. But yeah, that's what I'm waiting for on gold, guys. I'm waiting for that. Push up to then continue down. because we've created a double bottom, and then obviously you've got like 3 equal lows now, kind of. So I think price, if it comes and takes, you know, respects this level kind of here. You could even say this level, you know, you could come push up, fake out this level, and then continue down. But I do expect a little pullback first, guys. Like so. And like buys for me, you know, buys for me are going to be if we can come down, take this liquidity, and then break back above and then go long. That'll be buys for me now, guys. So I'm not really looking to buy until we take this liquidity down here. Unless you start breaking above major levels, you know, like 26.34. If you start getting back above and it doesn't look like it's going to come and take this liquidity anytime soon, then yeah, you can take longs. But for me, because we're so close to this liquidity, the best thing to do is take this liquidity at least to the left. Sorry guys. Take this liquidity at least to the left, come down, get back above, and then continue higher. So guys, that's the overall idea on gold today. So the overall idea today, guys, is just to see which liquidity gets taken first. If this liquidity gets taken first, then yeah, we can look for shorts down into this liquidity. But if this liquidity gets taken first, then we need to get back above, and then we can take longs higher. So that's the overall idea today, you know. If we take this liquidity, then we can look for shorts down into the liquidity below. However, if we take the liquidity below first, then we've got clear targets into these highs here, which we can take longs into. So yeah, that's the overall idea for the London session today. Like I say, guys, I didn't expect it to be many people on because I am normally on for US session. If you are just tuning in for the first time, I am a US session trader, so I don't really trade the London too much. But I thought I'd just jump on for a one-off. I'll stay on for as long as I need to, but like I say, it's mainly for the community as well. Hey Dean, early session today, yeah mate. I thought I'd jump on for maybe 45 an hour, just to see how many people I get on. But yeah, we've got a few. We've got Dean, Dan. I know we've got like 6 people watching now, which is decent. But yesterday we had like 15 on US session. Like I say, I'm a US session trader, so I'm bound to get more people on at that time. But for the people here, I'm just seeing which liquidity gets taken first. You know, if this liquidity gets taken first, then we can look for shorts down. But if this liquidity gets taken, then I'm going to look for longs. So that's what I'm playing for today, guys. I might just go live until maybe like 8:30 London, and then maybe like 12 for US. I have to be somewhere at 2 o'clock. So if I do go live for US, it's going to be a short session, maybe like an hour and a half. But yeah, it'll be from like 12 till half 1, Dan. But I thought I'd just jump on today for 45 minutes, just to update people really, just to see what's going on. Because the YouTube's grown quite quickly really. I've made like 70 subscribers in 2 weeks. Just over 10 days. Which is decent. Yeah, but I have to be somewhere at 2. So if I can, I'll probably stream till maybe 12:30, 1:30. Then I'll need to go. Or I might just update the community for the US session today, and then maybe go live tomorrow. Cheers for the likes, guys. Nice one. But yeah, I didn't expect as many people to be on this at all. Not in a bad way, it's just that people aren't used to me streaming at this time. They're not used to me streaming at this time, they're not going to come and watch me at this time. It's just how it works. But we can try and catch a position, guys. I'm just waiting for which liquidity to get taken first, guys. Like I say, if we come and take this liquidity, reject, then yeah, we can take shorts down into this. Like that. Welcome everyone, welcome. Currently waiting for gold to break out of here, guys. Either this level or this level, you know. We're actually in, I'm going to play the range here, so if we can break out of this range, I'll go down to the second range. Just because the range has liquidity at both sides now. Cheers for the likes, guys, appreciate it. See if we can catch something anyway. Be interesting. So who have we got in, guys? Let me know. We've got Dan and Dean so far. If anybody else is here, if you've got a question, let me know. I've brought down what I'm looking at a few times. If anybody's interested, I can do it again. Just let me know. I'd really like gold to come and take these lows. If gold can take these lows, then yeah, this is really nice to target. That'd be the pullback you needed as well, guys. This pullback would be the pullback you need to go higher. So, you know, you'd be pulling back to then come into these highs to then maybe go lower again. See how this 15 closes anyway. This 15 closes like so, then yeah, I'll probably just leave it there, guys. Keep the community updated and see you for the US session. We've had a few people in. 6. Hey, Naeem, how's it going, bro? Naeem's here. Smashing trade this morning in the community, bro. What a trade that were. How many... Beautiful. How much did you take out? You took... What's that? 1 to 3 wrists. Nice, bro. Do you take 1 to 3, Naeem? Yeah. Yeah, guys, I know there's a few people just joined. We've got 8 people in now. I'm looking to see which liquidity gets taken. You know, if these highs get taken or these lows get taken. You know, let's see. Either or, we can go long or short. 1K clean. Lovely, bro. Nice. Yeah, Dan, it were clean trade, very clean. It was a trade. That was the 5-minute entry up here, but for me it was like 6:30. I was just getting up at that time. Did 3 trades in the Asian session, 1 loss. Beautiful. Great stuff, Naeem. We can do a little back test on the actual sessions from yesterday. Where are we at here? 15-minute. Right, let's say here. Let's do a back test on this. So what time is this at? 24. 1:15. So for me, I can see straight away that we've just liquidated all this liquidity to the downside, and we've got some nice liquidity sitting above market here. Is that the open? Yeah, nice. That's the open there, and it instantly pushed down. So for me, I wouldn't want to be going short until, and my range would probably be maybe like here above there. So we're continuing to push down now. Right, nice. And you could probably say buys back above here now. And you could say your range is there. That would be my range for now, guys. In Asian session, this would be a decent range. You know, you can see the price. Resistance, resistance, support, support, support. Back above here, then I'll be looking to go long. Bang. Any 5-minute entry at all. No. You could probably take the 30-minute if it closed bullish, but no. Wick fill. Yeah, that were a potential wick fill entry. But you've just taken all this liquidity to the downside. But yeah, the overall idea with there, guys. But you don't want to be going short. You don't want to be going long when you're below this resistance. You want to get back above here. So if you could have took a 5-minute long potentially here. That'd have been very valid to then go long into there. But like I say, I were out the charts, and then let's see what happens now. We've taken this liquidity. There you go. You've got another range that's formed here. Let me just delete this. I'd probably be saying for me, if you get back above, let's have a look at this. Because you've got this nice sitting liquidity here for first targets. So if you close bullish above, then yeah, you can start looking for longs. What's the 15 looking like? Bad break. There's a decent entry for longs. Into that liquidity above market. That would have been another trade. So let me just go through this. What you've actually got here, guys, is on the 15-minute, the reason for this entry, wow, it actually hit smash TP. Look at this. Look how you broke out of this range. If you had your range from here to here, look how you broke out. You 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles took no liquidity. And when you do that, and if you've got liquidity sitting above market that needs to be taken, like here as well, you need to wait for confirmation, and the perfect confirmation was on the 5 minute there. You know, you took liquidity, broke above, bang, continuation, and in how many candles? One, bang. 15 minutes, you've just made what? 28 ticks. Beautiful. What, 15 minutes in? There, that's a beautiful Asian long. Now you've just taken this liquidity, and when price has done something like this, just wait for it to slow down a bit and range again, and bang, look, like, look at that. But that the other thing, you're at all-time highs, there's no targets, so obviously there would be no longs here, so you need to wait for that pullback, and that's what we're getting now, guys. Let me just exit out of here. That's what we're getting now, and this is the range we're in. From here to like here, kind of. It's quite a big range today, guys. But just think to yourself, look, this was the range we was in before. From this range here, pushed higher. Now we're in this range, can we push higher again? As I thought my analysis was correct. So, oh, sorry, what's that? The very first hit my stop loss, and then I went in again. Yeah, good stuff, Naeem, yeah. There's many times where I'll try maybe once or twice to be able to get a position for sure. Don't just be stuck on one trade and take it as a loss. You know, you got to give it a couple of opportunities at least. Right, guys, let's see how this 15 closes. If this 15 closes like so, guys, I'm not going to stay on because I have a feeling London could range after pre-London move. Look at the pre-London move here. After 6 o'clock, we've moved how many ticks? Like, let's just have a look. We moved from London to the low, 160 ticks. So I have a feeling that London now until maybe like 9, 10 o'clock could just range. So I'm just going to update you, and we're not just going to sit here. It's just pointless sitting here. I have a feeling we could do this until maybe US session or pre-US. You know? So I will update you soon, but I'm just going to wait for this 15. If this 15 breaks out, then yeah, we can long. But if it doesn't, then I'm not going to do anything. I thought I'd just jump on, guys, just for maybe like 45 minutes to an hour, just to see what we're happening in London, but it's quite boring. And London opened like, what, 20, 25 minutes ago. It should be moving now. So it's probably the pre-London move that we've got. You know, you had your Asia push. Now that's your London push. Now London will probably maybe consolidate or pull back slightly. Could, you know, pull back slightly. Range. And then either push down or push up in US. But I don't just want to stay in this chop, guys. I'm not just sitting here for like... I just update you, and then I'll update the community all day as always. But yeah, guys, cheers for tuning in again if you're here. Yeah, nice one. Got 6 people in. Could we be forming a head and shoulders? Yeah, potentially. You mean the mini head and shoulders like this? Here? Bang, bang. And then it'd be here. To push up, to go down. Yeah, potentially. Or do you mean this head and shoulders here? Head. Shoulder, head. Shoulder to go down, potentially. I do think we push up a little higher, though. You know, you've had your pre-London's pushed down, you know, you're bound to push up a little bit before. If you are going to continue, you'll continue in US. Like I say, guys, you know, you need to wait for this to break. You need to wait for this liquidity to get taken at either side. You can't be trading now. Don't be trading within this range. You know, within here, don't be trading. And I'll only be taking half risk if we do get back below this level. But this is the range. Delete that. There. Nice range here. Yeah, that one. Yeah, nice one. Yeah. That could be really nice. Gold loves head and shoulders. Sometimes they don't work though. Like yesterday it didn't work. I thought it were. Look, shoulder, head. Look, started to work and then bang, away. Look, shoulder, head, potential shoulder, didn't work. Like, they don't work that often, but they do sometimes. Yes, guys, who's here? Let me know, guys. Get a comment. If you have any questions, let me know. Is gold gonna break out? I would like to see this today. That'd be nice. Continue the overall move. Daily looks like we could reject as well. You know, we've taken... Quick look at the daily, guys. You've taken 1, 2. You've taken 2 daily highs. And you've not taken any daily lows in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 now. So, yeah, I do think we're going to continue bearish. Hey, Mystic Ben, how's it going, bro? Hope you're well. We've got 12 people in now. Great. Nice to see everyone. Cheers for the likes as well, guys. Cheers for tuning in. Like I say, guys, drop us a like on the video. Let's try and find a position here. Just gonna use this as a double top really quickly. We have just taken that liquidity, just about. Could continue a little bit higher though. Cheers for the lights, guys. I appreciate it. Push up to continue down. Yeah, definitely. Ah, Naeem. Yeah, it's tough that, bro. I've done that before. Yeah, you stay on the micros, bro. Yeah, micro lots. I use micro lots. Yeah, for sure, Naeem. Good, thank you, bro. Yeah, good stuff, bro. Nice one. See what goals go. I hope we don't just stay in this range, guys. I'm gonna see how this 15 closes. If it closes bearish, then I think we're just gonna range. I'd like it to break out nicely. If it breaks out nicely, then yeah, you can look for longs, you know, for a continuation, maybe into say some structure here. The only reason why you want to break out is because if you break out, you can look for longs, and if it closes back below, then yeah, shorts are valid. But for now, we've not really taken the liquidity. We've only just taken, and it's not really that clean. Welcome, guys. I am normally live for US session, but I thought I'd trade London today. So if anybody here is interested in joining the daily US sessions, yeah, 12:30 to 1 p.m. UK time. That's when I go live for the US. So drop us a follow, join the free Telegram, and yeah, you'll be updated when I go live. Well, not a follow, subscribe, and then yeah, you'll know when I go live, guys. 15 people in, welcome everyone. We're at 170 subscribers, guys. It's great. In like 3-4 months of being, well, 3 months of doing YouTube. How long have I been doing YouTube Live now? Started YouTube Live 2 months ago. So in 2 months, it's grown quite well. To say we started with like 2 viewers. So, yeah. But yeah, let's see how this let's see if gold wants to break out or not, guys. Like the actual valid range for me is from here to here. But it's just what we do at this range. You know, if it, like I say, guys, if you break out of this range, then you've got a decent like range into like, I'd say here. You know, you've got 36 ticks. But if it takes the liquidity and rejects this range, then you can just play the range at half risk down for like 60 ticks. So there's a couple of plays you can play on gold. There's no real bias. Both longs and shorts for me. Yeah, there's no real. Sometimes I come into the market and I'm saying only shorts, only longs. You know, depending on how the daily closes or depending on how the H4's closed. But for today, looking at the daily, yeah, daily shorts look good. 4-hour shorts are starting to look good, but gold's so bullish, and the prior H4, you know, we've still got an hour and a half. This could still push up a little bit higher, especially how it closed. So, yeah, I'm definitely open for both. Congrats, mate. Yeah, cheers, Naeem, bro. I appreciate it, guys. Everyone who tunes in, I appreciate you all, guys. Naeem, how are you finding the community, bro? How are you finding the community and the content and the channels? Are you loving it? Let me know. I will shoot you a DM as well, bro, to book in a 20-30 minute call with me next week, maybe. I have got a few on this week. But yeah, all the 15 people here, welcome. I've got to go take the little one to school. I'll catch you back. Yep, in a bit, Dan, mate. Maybe see you for the US session. I might just do a US Zoom session with the community guys. Might not go live for the US. I'll probably just stay on here for another, see what it does. Videos, you've finished going through the videos. Nice, mate. Good stuff. Jesus, you've gone through them quick. Wow. How many videos have you gone through? Like 4 there. Market calls. There's like 60 market calls. 2, 6. You've gone through about 80 videos, Naeem. There's 60 market core videos, and you've done all them. There's about 15 trade breakdowns. There's like 4 trading tips, and there's 3 trading course for now. Obviously, the trading course is coming out slowly. I'm just gonna do the trading course slowly. Bro, that's so good. No, seriously, mate, that is so good. Very well done. And that's why you're seeing the results as well. A lot of people who will come in, they won't watch the videos, and I say watch the market breakdowns of how I break the market down every day. Watch the trading course. Obviously, I've only got 3 or 4 videos on the trading course, because not many people need the trading course because it is quite beginner. But watch all the trade breakdowns. Watch the trade breakdowns and the market updates. Market breakdowns is all you need. But yeah, great stuff, Naeem. And that's why you're taking bangers like you are, bro. 3-1, perfect. That was a really nice trade this morning, bro. Mate. Beautiful confirmation, you know. That 5-minute confirmation was really nice. Like I say, guys, please, if you're here and you're liking the stream, please drop us a like and a subscribe. Let's get to 200 subscribers soon. I'm at 170, so I need 30 more. It's so good to get to that. To reach that, anyway. Cheers for the likes, guys. Nice one. So gold has actually liquidated this high now. Exactly what I said. I'm just going to see how this 15 closes. Are we going to close within the range or without? If it closes bearish within, you can take half risk short into this double bottom. So you're just playing the range lower. Something I might be interested in. I'm just going to see how we close. You know, if it closes bearish like this, then yeah, we've got a decent 35 ticks down, which is nice. There are important ones of all the videos as you can understand the strategy at work. Yeah, nice one. Perfect. Like I say, the main ones that I've uploaded are like obviously the levels, the liquidity, and you know the levels, the liquidity, and actually finding the trades. You know, they're the most important ones. Like the strategy is the trade breakdown is all you need really, but obviously it helps knowing the strategy with more videos for sure. Right, so we're just taking this liquidity here, respecting this level on the 15. 5 minutes looking good. Might take a cheeky short soon, guys. On half risk, guys. Half risk. Why? Because look, what are we in here, guys? What are we in? What is this? This is a range. Any ranges, half risk for me. Right, let's see this closure, guys. We've got 2 minutes. I hope it closes bearish. If not, then there's no trade, guys. Right, 50 seconds, guys. Like I said, we're just waiting for this 15 to close. Nice top wick, then we can go lower. That's the plan. Like I say, guys, this morning when we was here, I said pull back, continue down. That's what we're starting to see now. Right, 10 seconds. Don't close doji. Alright, let's see. Nice little top wick. Because what I was waiting for, guys, is I'm waiting for this short, but there's just no wick that we can get the stop loss on. You know, you can instantly go short, but look at the... If you instantly go short, then you're like at a 1-to-1. News at 3, yeah, I've seen that, mate. News at 3, everyone, by the way, yeah. Name's right, news at 3. I think it's consumer confidence. I'll have to double check that. But yeah, you can't really get a stop loss here. Like, the only valid stop loss if you enter is there. Like, do you really want a 30 tick stop? Hey, cheers for the subscribers, guys. Whoever subscribed, I appreciate you. 171, guys. Nice one. But yeah, that's the trade that I was looking for, guys. I was looking for shorts. And this should come down into this double bottom. But it's playing out exactly how I thought. Exactly how I thought. You know, when price was here, you know, I was looking for this. But let's see, if it tests this liquidity to the downside, guys, then it's annoying. Very annoying. Then I'd have to wait for the hourly to close, which is another half an hour. Because there's no 15-minute entry, guys. So the only entry that we had is the 15, because the 15 took liquidity, and the 15 to the 30, but the 15 to the 30 opened at the same time. So now we can't take a 15 or a 30-minute entry because it's gone. The only way we can enter is 5-minute confirmation, which we can't take that in the range. And then the hourly, but we'd need to wait another 26 minutes for the hourly. So there's not much we can do for another 26 minutes. You're out 14 ticks, nice. Could potentially go into 26.40. Yeah, I agree with that, Neem. Yeah, I agree with that, 26.40. Definitely. On the futures chart, I just checked it, yeah, 26.40 on the futures chart. Yeah, definitely. But yeah, there's not much I can do now, guys. I'm gonna be I'm gonna be honest with you. The only way we can enter shorts is if the hourly close is bearish below this. You know, then we can look to target these lows. But then you'd have to wait another 25 minutes. If you look at the 15 entry was there, but there was no top wick for me to enter. It just instantly pushed down. If you entered instantly, then you'd have to have your stop on this high, and I don't want a 30 tick stop. For what? 30 tick stop, it's less than a 1-to-1. So the only thing I can do now is wait for the hourly to close, because the 30 minutes dead as well, because that instantly pushed down. So the only thing you can do is wait for the hourly to close, and when the hourly closes, then you can see what you want to do. But if there's no longs until we take this liquidity either, guys. You know, you've got liquidity here and you've got liquidity here. So there's no longs until you take liquidity, get back above, and then you can go long. So that's what we are in at the moment. Yeah, 26.15. Yeah, I agree, Naeem. I think gold can come further down today. If this hourly closes very bearish, guys, if this hourly in 20 odd minutes closes, for example, like this, then I'm going to just take hourly shorts down into this liquidity. Simple as that. With my strategy, there's so many plays that you can play on the 3 time frames, on the hourly, the 30 and the 15. You know, I use 3 time frames to get my range and my liquidity. You know, I use the 4 and the daily just to find a bias. For example, like the 4 hour was bullish, I'd like to look for longs. The dailies looks bearish now. So, you know, for me, the 15, there's no trade. The 30, there's no trade. The hourly, there's a potential trade. So that's what I'm always looking at. I'm always looking to see if price on the 15 or the 30 set up. No. Well, then I can look at the hourly. Well, I can't do anything for 23 minutes. Shut the charts, do something else. I don't need to do anything now for 23 minutes, guys. Like, there's no FOMO. There's no getting into trades when I don't need to. For 23 minutes now, I can go make food. I can go and do anything I want. And there's no 5-minute entry, because no 5-minute entry is within the range. Simple as that. Have a system where you're not going to be getting FOMO'd into things. For example, yeah, I was looking for the 15 and the 30-minute entry here. Yeah? But because there's no 30 and 15-minute entry there, I can only trade the hourly now. So why would I even sit at the chart for 22 minutes when I don't need to, you know? If I come back and the hourly's closed bearish like this, then there, I'm taking shorts down. If the hourly doesn't do this, then there's no hourly trade. I'm back on the 30 and the 15. Simple as that. Cheers for the subscriber, guys. Thank you. Guys, let's hit these likes. We've only got 5 likes. Let's push it up. But yeah, I'm just gonna give it another. Just gonna see how this 5 closes. This liquidity gets taken, guys. I'm probably just gonna come off for the London session, and then I'll update the community, guys. Who likes London session? One sec. I'm gonna start a poll. Guys, I'm doing a poll. Tell me, London or US session? I want to see what poll. Tell me, guys. So we've got London. Which session do you rather me stream? US or London? US. Ooh, who said US? Nah, it's you don't need to tell me who said what. I love the US session, don't get me wrong. I love it. But I do trade London with the community every day. Every day I update the community with a London market update. And then I'm always constantly updating my levels. Like, ooh, 50-50. Bang, straight into that liquidity as expected, guys. Perfect analysis anyway. Analysis was bang on. Look, push, down, continuation. I think this owl is going to continue bearish now, which is good because I can take hourly shorts in 20 minutes. Right, I'll end that poll. Good enough for me. I don't know why I ended it after 2 votes. Crazy. But whatever. Right, perfect. Right, guys, that's me for the London session. I hope everyone's had a great session, and I'll be back at 12 p.m. for anybody here. I'll be back at 12, well, 12:15. Back at 12:15 for a bit of US session. Guys, I'll be back at 12:15 for US session. Anybody in the community, I will be updating you in the next 15 minutes with my charts, so stay active. I'll see you in the chats, and yeah, thanks for tuning in, guys. Bye bye. See you. If anybody in the community, I'll see you there. In a bit, Naeem. Let's smash it, bro. In a bit.